Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to get classic start button back in Windows 11. So firstly open any web browser. Now here type iobit start menu. Now open this first official link iobit.com. Now here guys you will see start menu at better solution for Windows 8 and Windows 10 start menu. You can download free and also there is the paid version is available. You will see free download, just click on it. Now here guys you will see this link. Click on download now and install the software. So this is the way guys you can get classic start button back in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.